Well, it's been a while since I've talked to my friction welding fanatic friends out there. But on the way into work this morning, I was thinking about in every crisis there's opportunity. I've had a lot of phone calls from people trying to see how they can change the manufacturing of their products. I thought about an article written in 2010 I read from A.C. Addison that talked about the benefits of linear friction welding. Without their permission, I can't share the article with you, but what I wanted to talk about was the advantages of friction welding. We talk about additive manufacturing in this world every day. And for the most part, linear friction welding provides additive manufacturing. Examples, near net shaped parts. I mean, this weld right here is stronger than parent material. Look at how much less machining and material you need to do by linear friction welding parts together. I mean, I have example after example that we've done for people trying to save money. In this particular case, this is titanium, could be steel, could be copper, could be aluminum to copper. Dissimilar materials are welded every day with linear friction welding. I think it's how we look at things today, trying to save money, becoming more competitive. I've talked to people that have made the same part for the last 50 years the same way using flash butt welding. Taylor-Winfield sells flash butt welders. We try to sell them every day. We have them in our lab. I will tell you that it's a good process, but an alternative to that process, which is a lot less energy, a lot cleaner. Our machines run on 483 phase. They're basically a green type machine. But to be able to take, say for example, if this was titanium out of a block, and have to machine this down, water jet cut it out, machine it down, the wear and tear on tooling, the time to actually machine it, and here you can take this simple part that's made very quickly and do it in probably a 20th of the time to machine this. I'm just throwing this out there for people to think. I'm trying to help people save money, compete in this world. It's going to be tougher than it was yesterday. So maybe this little thought process helps you out. If anything, stay safe out there and come up with some new ideas. We'll share them with you. So thanks for tuning in.